Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of new drug horizons. In this video, we'll explore how the landscape of medicine is rapidly evolving, driven by scientific breakthroughs and innovative thinking. From the discovery of novel compounds to the development of targeted therapies, the future of medicine holds incredible promise. We'll look at the key trends shaping drug discovery, the technologies enabling these advances, and the impact they may have on our health and well-being. Let's embark on this exploration together and see what the future of medicine has in store. Drug discovery has come a long way from its early days of trial and error. Today, researchers use sophisticated tools and data-driven approaches to identify promising compounds. The process now involves a blend of chemistry, biology, and technology, allowing for more precise targeting of diseases. This evolution has not only accelerated the pace of discovery, but also improved the safety and effectiveness of new medicine. As we move forward, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning is set to further revolutionize how drugs are found and developed. Biotechnology has opened up new possibilities in drug development. By harnessing the power of living organisms, scientists can create therapies that are more targeted and effective. Advances in genetic engineering, for example, have led to the creation of biologic drugs that can treat conditions once thought untreatable. These breakthroughs are not only expanding our treatment options but also paving the way for personalized medicine, where therapies are tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. One of the most exciting developments in modern medicine is the rise of targeted therapies. Unlike traditional drugs that affect the whole body, targeted therapies are designed to interact with specific molecules involved in disease processes. This approach can increase effectiveness and reduce side effects. Targeted therapies are especially important in cancer treatment, where they can attack cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. As research progresses, we can expect even more precise and powerful treatments to emerge. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way drugs are discovered and developed. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict which compounds are most likely to succeed. This not only speeds up the discovery process but also helps reduce costs and improve outcomes. AI is also being used to design clinical trials, optimize dosing, and even predict potential side effects before a drug reaches patient. The integration of AI into drug development is just beginning, but its impact is already profound. Personalized medicine is changing the way we think about treatment. By analyzing a person's genetic information, doctors can select therapies that are most likely to work for that individual. This approach minimizes trial and error and can lead to better outcomes. Personalized medicine is already making a difference in areas like cancer and rare diseases, and as technology advances, it will become more accessible for a wider range of conditions. The future of medicine is truly personal. Immunotherapy represents a major leap forward in treating diseases like cancer. By stimulating or modifying the body's own immune system, these therapies can help fight off disease more effectively. Immunotherapy has already led to remarkable successes, with some patients experiencing long-term remission. Researchers are now exploring ways to expand immunotherapy to other diseases, making it a key area of focus in new drug development. Gene therapy is one of the most groundbreaking advances in modern medicine. By directly altering or replacing faulty genes, scientists can address the root cause of certain diseases. This approach holds promise for treating genetic disorders that were once considered incurable. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as delivery methods and long-term safety, gene therapy is opening up new possibilities for patients and families affected by rare conditions. RNA-based medicines have gained significant attention in recent years, especially with the development of mRNA vaccines. These therapies use RNA molecules to instruct cells to produce proteins that can prevent or treat disease. The success of mRNA vaccines for COVID-19 has demonstrated the potential of this technology, and researchers are now exploring its use for other conditions, including cancer and genetic disorders. RNA-based medicines represent a new frontier in drug development. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the way drugs are delivered and how diseases are diagnosed. By engineering materials at the nanoscale, scientists can create drug carriers that target specific cells or tissues, improving the effectiveness and reducing side effects. Nanotechnology is also being used to develop new diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier and more accurately. As this field advances, we can expect even more innovative applications in medicine. Regenerative medicine aims to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs using stem cells and other advanced techniques. This approach holds promise for treating injuries, degenerative diseases, and even organ failure. By harnessing the body's natural healing abilities, regenerative medicine could transform the way we approach chronic conditions and improve quality of life for millions of people. CRISPR technology has made gene editing faster, cheaper, and more precise than ever before. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to edit DNA with incredible accuracy, opening up new possibilities for treating genetic diseases, improving crops, and even combating infectious diseases. While ethical and safety concerns remain, the potential of CRISPR is undeniable, and it is likely to play a major role in the future of medicine. Digital health technologies are changing how drugs are developed and monitored. Wearable devices, mobile apps, and remote monitoring tools provide real-time data on patient health, enabling more personalized and effective treatments. These technologies also help researchers gather valuable information during clinical trials, speeding up the development process and improving patient safety. Biosimilars are drugs that are highly similar to already approved biologic medicines. They offer the same benefits at a lower cost, making advanced treatments more accessible to patients. The rise of biosimilars is helping to drive down healthcare costs and increase competition in the pharmaceutical industry. As more biosimilars enter the market, patients will have greater access to life-saving therapies. Orphan drugs are developed specifically to treat rare diseases which often have limited treatment options. These drugs are crucial for patients with conditions that affect only a small number of people. Thanks to advances in drug development and regulatory incentives, more orphan drugs are being approved, offering hope to patients and families who previously had few options. Antibody-drug conjugates, ADCs, are a new class of targeted therapies that combine the precision of antibodies with the potency of drugs. By linking a drug to an antibody that recognizes cancer cells, ADCs can deliver treatment directly to the tumor while minimizing harm to healthy cells. This innovative approach is showing promise in cancer treatment and is being explored for other diseases as well. Small molecule drugs remain a cornerstone of modern medicine. These compounds are typically easy to manufacture, can be taken orally, and are effective against a wide range of diseases. Advances in chemistry and screening technologies have made it possible to design small molecules that are more selective and have fewer side effects. As research continues, small molecule drugs will remain an important part of the pharmaceutical landscape. Peptide and protein drugs are becoming increasingly important in treating diseases that are difficult to target with traditional small molecules. These drugs can mimic or block natural proteins in the body, offering new ways to treat conditions like diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Advances in biotechnology are making it easier to produce and deliver these complex molecules. Cell therapy involves using living cells to treat or cure diseases. This innovative approach is showing promise for conditions like cancer, autoimmune diseases, and even some genetic disorders. By modifying or replacing damaged cells, cell therapy can restore normal function and improve patient outcomes. Ongoing research is focused on making these therapies safer, more effective, and accessible to more patients. Drug repurposing involves finding new uses for existing drugs. This strategy can significantly speed up the development process since the safety of the drug is already established. Repurposed drugs have been used to treat a variety of conditions, from cancer to infectious diseases. As researchers continue to explore the potential of existing medicines, drug repurposing will remain a valuable tool in the fight against disease. 3D printing technology is making its way into the pharmaceutical industry, enabling the creation of customized drug formulations and delivery devices. This technology allows for precise control over dosage and release profiles, making it possible to tailor treatments to individual patient needs. As 3D printing becomes more widespread, it could revolutionize how medicines are manufactured and delivered. Human microbiome, the collection of microbes living in and on our bodies, plays a crucial role in health and disease. Researchers are developing therapies that target the microbiome to treat conditions like digestive disorders, obesity, and even mental health issues. By understanding and manipulating the microbiome, scientists hope to unlock new ways to promote health and prevent disease. Wearable drug delivery devices are making it easier for patients to manage chronic conditions. These devices can deliver medication continuously or on demand, improving adherence and outcomes. Advances in miniaturization and connectivity are making wearables more comfortable and effective, offering new possibilities for personalized treatment. Smart pills are equipped with sensors that can monitor medication intake and transmit data to healthcare providers. This technology helps ensure patients take their medicine as prescribed and allows doctors to track treatment progress. Digital medicine is opening up new ways to monitor and manage health, making care more proactive and personalized. Artificial organs and implants are providing new hope for patients with organ failure or severe injuries. Advances in materials science and engineering have made it possible to create devices that closely mimic the function of natural organs. These innovations are improving survival rates and quality of life for patients around the world. Vaccine technology has advanced rapidly in recent years, leading to the development of safer and more effective vaccines. New platforms such as mRNA and viral vector vaccines have enabled faster responses to emerging diseases. Ongoing research is focused on creating universal vaccines and improving access to immunization worldwide. Precision oncology uses genetic and molecular information to tailor cancer treatments to each patient. By understanding the unique characteristics of a tumor, doctors can select therapies that are most likely to be effective. This approach is leading to better outcomes and fewer side effects for cancer patients. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. By analyzing genetic variations, doctors can predict which medications will work best for each patient and avoid those that may cause adverse reactions. This field is paving the way for safer and more effective treatments tailored to individual needs. Telemedicine is making it easier for patients to participate in clinical trials and access new treatments. Remote monitoring and virtual visits reduce the need for travel and make research more inclusive. These advances are helping to accelerate drug development and bring new therapies to patients faster. AI is being used to design smarter clinical trials, identify suitable participants, and analyze results more efficiently. By automating data analysis and monitoring, AI can help researchers make better decisions and bring new drugs to market more quickly. This technology is streamlining the entire clinical trial process. Blockchain technology is being explored as a way to improve drug safety and traceability. By creating secure, transparent records of drug production and distribution, blockchain can help prevent counterfeiting and ensure patients receive safe, authentic medicines. This technology is still in its early stages but holds great promise for the future. Green chemistry aims to make drug production more sustainable by reducing waste and using environmentally friendly processes. This approach not only benefits the planet but can also lower costs and improve efficiency. As the pharmaceutical industry embraces green chemistry, we can expect to see more sustainable medicines in the future. International collaboration is essential for tackling complex health challenges and accelerating drug development. Researchers, companies, and governments are working together across borders to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. These partnerships are leading to faster discoveries and more effective treatments for patients worldwide. As new drugs and technologies emerge, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues such as patient consent, data privacy, and equitable access must be addressed to ensure that advances in medicine benefit everyone. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential for navigating these complex challenges. Despite incredible progress, drug development remains a complex and challenging process. High costs, lengthy timelines, and regulatory hurdles can slow the introduction of new medicines. Researchers are constantly seeking ways to streamline development, reduce costs, and bring effective treatments to patients more quickly. Looking ahead, several trends are likely to shape the future of drug discovery. These include the increasing use of big data, advances in computational biology, and the integration of digital health tools. As these trends converge, we can expect drug discovery to become faster, more efficient, and more personalized than ever before. Patient-centric approaches are putting patients at the center of drug development. By involving patients in the design of clinical trials and treatment plans, researchers can better understand their needs and preferences. This leads to more relevant and effective therapies as well as improved patient satisfaction. Real-world evidence refers to data collected from everyday clinical practice, rather than controlled trials. This information can provide valuable insights into how drugs perform in diverse populations and real-life settings. By incorporating real-world evidence, researchers can make more informed decisions and improve patient care. Companion diagnostics are tests that help determine which patients are most likely to benefit from a particular drug. By identifying specific biomarkers, these tests enable more precise and effective treatments. Companion diagnostics are an important part of personalized medicine and are helping to improve outcomes for patients. Big data is transforming every aspect of drug development from discovery to post-market surveillance. By analyzing large datasets, researchers can identify trends, predict outcomes, and make better decisions. Big data is also helping to personalize treatments and improve patient safety. Innovations in the pharmaceutical supply chain are improving the efficiency and reliability of drug delivery. Technologies like blockchain, IoT, and advanced analytics are helping to track medicines from production to patient, ensuring safety and reducing waste. These advances are making it easier to get the right medicines to the right people at the right time. COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated innovation in drug development and healthcare delivery. Rapid vaccine development, remote care, and increased collaboration have shown what's possible when the world comes together to address a crisis. Lessons learned from the pandemic will continue to shape the future of medicine. Ensuring that new medicines are accessible and affordable is a major challenge. Policymakers, companies, and healthcare providers are working to find solutions that balance innovation with the need for equitable access. Strategies include pricing reforms, generic competition, and expanded insurance coverage. Pharmacies are evolving to play a greater role in healthcare delivery. With advances in technology and personalized medicine, pharmacists are becoming key partners in managing chronic conditions and optimizing treatment. The future of pharmacy will be more integrated, patient-focused, and technology-driven. As we've seen, the future of medicine is filled with promise and possibility. From groundbreaking technologies to patient-centered care, new drug horizons are transforming the way we prevent, diagnose, and treat disease. By embracing innovation and working together, we can create a healthier future for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the new horizons of drug development.